Hello there! In this video, you will learn how to use your Samsung Galaxy Watch without connecting it to a phone. It is super easy to set up, so let's dive right in. Before we begin, please note that by not connecting it to a phone, your device will mostly function as a regular watch. You will be able to connect to Wi-Fi, but will be working with very limited features. Because of this, we highly recommend connecting it to at least an Android tablet to help you utilize your watch so much better. However, if you still want to rock it completely standalone without any phone or tablet, here is exactly what you need to do. Simply tap that blue Wear icon 6 times until the watch prompts you to do a long press. Once that is done, your watch will start right up and be perfectly ready to use. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe. Want to show some extra love? Hit that thanks button. Additionally, you can also read the detailed article on this topic on our website. Link is in the description below.